Today we shall solve a very beautiful equation. The equation is sin pi x equal to x square minus x plus 5 over 4. This is a very beautiful equation. It includes two functions. One is trigonometric function and other is algebraic function. We have to determine the number of roots of this equation, that is sin pi x equal to x square minus x plus 5 over 4. Now let us begin. Equation is sin pi x equal to x square minus x plus 5 over 4. This is the equation. We have to determine the number of roots of these equations. Now sin pi x is trigonometric function, and we know sin pi x, that is sin x, lies between two numbers minus 1 and plus 1. Its range, its domain is closed interval minus 1 and minus 1 plus 1. That is sin pi x belongs to closed interval minus 1 and plus 1. That is sin pi x, trigonometric function, lies between plus 1 and minus 1. Also its value includes plus 1 and minus 1. This is the domain of sin pi x. So we can write minus 1 less equal to sin pi x. Sin pi x, what is expression of what is the value of sin pi x? Sin pi x is x square minus x plus 5 over 4. So we can put the value of sin pi x here, x square minus x plus 5 over 4 less equal to 1. When x square minus x plus 5 over 4 less equal to 1, we get 4x square minus 4x plus 5 less equal to 4. That is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 less equal to 0. We have got this inequality, 4x square minus 4x plus 1 less equal to 0. This is also a perfect square. So this perfect square is 2x minus 1 whole square less equal to 0. This is perfect square. This is a perfect square. Every perfect square is non-negative. We know every perfect square is non-negative. We know, but 2x minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0, that is 2x minus 1 not less than 0. 2x minus 1 whole square never smaller than 0. Never smaller than 0. It is always greater or equal to 0. So here we have got 2x minus 1 whole square less equal to 0. So smaller than sign can be rejected. Smaller than sign can be discarded. So only we have the sign equals 0, that is 2x minus 1 whole square equals 0. So 2x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x equal to half. Here we have got a root of x which is half. Only one root we have got from this inequality. This root is x equal to half. There are only one root in this inequality, that is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 less equal to 0. Now we have got x equal to half. Now we can take the other part of the inequality. Other part is when x square minus x plus 5 over 4 greater equal to minus 1, we have x square minus x plus 5 over 4 plus 1 greater equal to 0. That is 4x square minus 4x plus 9 greater equal to 0. 9 greater equal to 0. 4x square minus 4x plus 9 greater equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. This polynomial is quadratic, and this polynomial cannot be reduced into real factors because its discriminant, this discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant of 4x square, the discriminant of the quadratic polynomial, this is a quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial discriminant of this quadratic polynomial, that is 4x square minus 4x plus 9 is b square, that is minus 4 square b square minus 4ac, that is 4 into 4 into 9 equal to 16 minus 134, that is minus 128, which is less than 0. If the discriminant of any quadratic polynomial is smaller than 0, then it cannot be reduced into real factors. So 4x square minus 4x plus 9 cannot be reduced into real factors. So this inequality fails to give us any root, any domain of x. This inequality fails to give us any domain of x. That is, we are not able to find out any root from this inequality. So 4x square minus 4x plus 9 greater equal to 0 fails to give us any domain of x. So we cannot be able to find out any roots from this inequality. From this inequality we cannot be able to find out any roots of this equation. This equation is sin pi x minus equal to x square minus x plus 5 over 4. So there are only one root of this equation. So there are only one roots of this equation. So we can conclude that. There are only one root of these equations. Only one root exists of these equations. So there are only one root of sin pi x of the equation sin pi x equal to x square minus x 5 over 4. This root is x equal to half. This is the only root. This is the only root of this equation.